Advanced Engineering Systems and Standard Implementation in Mining Operations, URGS International. The modern mining industry operates at the intersection of geology, heavy engineering, process metallurgy, and regulatory compliance. From ore extraction to mineral processing and final product handling, every stage of mining requires precise engineering integration, robust process control, and adherence to international standards. However, many mining operations still face critical gaps in system optimization, engineering standardization, and performance monitoring. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited addresses these challenges by delivering technically robust, process-driven, and standards-aligned engineering solutions for mining enterprises worldwide. Mining Value Chain Engineering Overview. Mining is not a single operation. It is a complex value chain consisting of exploration and resource estimation, mine planning and design, drilling and blasting engineering, material handling and haulage systems, crushing, grinding and beneficiation processes, tailings management and environmental systems. Each of these stages involves critical engineering decisions that directly impact recovery rates, operational efficiency, safety, and cost per ton. URGS International provides engineering interventions across this entire value chain. For example, in drilling and blasting, we optimize blast design parameters such as burden, spacing, powder factor, and initiation sequence to ensure optimal fragmentation and minimal dilution. In material handling systems, we evaluate conveyor design, haul truck cycle times, and loading efficiency to reduce bottlenecks and improve throughput. Now, engineering design and process optimization. At the core of our services lies advanced engineering design and process optimization. We focus on improving key performance indicators such as throughput capacity (TPH), recovery percentage, equipment availability and utilization, energy consumption per ton, overall equipment effectiveness (OEE). Our engineering approach includes first process flow analysis. We develop and optimize process flow diagrams and piping and instrumentation diagrams to ensure efficient system integration. Second, equipment selection and sizing. We perform detailed engineering calculations for crushers, mills, flotation cells, thickeners, and filtration systems based on ore characteristics. Third, mass and energy balance. Accurate mass balance models are developed to track material flow and identify losses or inefficiencies in the system. Fourth, bottleneck identification. Using data analysis and simulation tools, we identify constraints in the process and recommend corrective engineering actions. Fifth, reliability engineering. We implement maintenance strategies such as predictive and preventive maintenance to improve equipment uptime. Mineral processing and metallurgical optimization. In mineral processing, even small inefficiencies can lead to significant losses in metal recovery. URGS International provides technical expertise in common circuits, crushing and grinding optimization, flotation process optimization for sulfide ores, copper, lead, zinc, gravity separation techniques, hydrometallurgical and pyrometallurgical support. We analyze ore mineralogy and liberation characteristics, reagent regimes in flotation systems, slurry density and residence time, particle size distribution (PST). Our goal is to maximize recovery while minimizing operational cost and reagent consumption. For polymetallic ores such as copper, lead, zinc systems, selective flotation becomes critical, and we design circuits that improve metal separation efficiency. ISO and engineering standards, technical implementation. Engineering excellence in mining is incomplete without structured standards and compliance systems. URGS specializes in deep level implementation of ISO 9001 quality management systems, ISO 14001 environmental management systems, ISO 45001 occupational health and safety. Our approach is technical and system oriented. We map operational processes into documented workflows, define standard operating procedures (SOPs), and establish measurable KPIs. We also integrate risk assessment frameworks, HAZOP, FMEA, incident investigation systems, audit and compliance tracking mechanisms. Unlike generic consulting, we ensure that ISO systems are embedded in daily operations, not just documentation. Now next is mining project engineering and execution. Mining projects involve multidisciplinary engineering coordination across civil, mechanical, electrical and process domains. URGS International provides structured project engineering support including front-end engineering design, FEED, detailed project reports, DPR, project scheduling using CPM/PERT techniques, cost estimation and budget control, vendor and contractor evaluation. We ensure alignment between design, procurement, and execution phases. Our project monitoring system tracks schedule variance, cost variance, engineering progress, risk indicators. This ensures that projects are delivered within defined timelines and technical specifications. Then, digitalization and performance monitoring. Modern mining operations are increasingly data driven. URGS International supports digital transformation through KPI dashboards for real time monitoring, analytics for process optimization, integration of SCADA and automation systems, performance benchmarking. We help organizations transition from reactive operations to productive and data driven decision making systems. Technical training and capability development. Suitable mining operations require technically competent manpower. URGS International delivers advanced technical training programs covering process engineering fundamentals, equipment operation and maintenance, ISO systems and compliance, safety engineering practices. Our training methodology combines theoretical concepts with real world mining scenarios. Mining operations today demand a combination of engineering precision, process optimization, and strict compliance with global standards. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited delivers integrated solutions that address these requirements at every level of the mining value chain, from process optimization to standards implementation and project execution. We enable mining organizations to achieve higher efficiency, improve recovery, and sustainable growth. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Connect with us to explore how advanced engineering can transform your mining operations. Thank you.